All right, gang, check this out. My son is working on a little bit of a social media streaming where he plays Switch video games and commentates and does all of that. And one of the things that we were working on in setting this up is how he could quickly and easily capture his gameplay from his Switch 2. And that's where this little baby comes in, and it's just awesome. I'm just going to tell you about it. This little baby is a video capture card that is designed for, could be used for a lot of different things, but it's designed with the Switch and the Switch 2 in mind. And what this does that not a lot do is combine what you need in video capture and for a dock. So that you are not dealing with as many hookups and as many issues. It's essentially just plug and play. For us, the setup was super simple. We had another video capture card that we checked out at one time that required us to use the dock. With this, we didn't have to do that, and it was great. On one side, you have the source in, so you literally plug a USB-C cable from this into the Switch or the Switch 2, and on that same side, it has the capture out. Nice thing is this does come with both cables that you will need, and so literally you plug this in. The other side, you can plug in the HDMI so that you can watch it on the television, a big television if you want. Plug it into your laptop, and then plug in right here. This is the important piece. You do have to plug in the power source. Otherwise, it's going to drain your Switch's battery. But as soon as you plug in a 100-watt power source to this, and then suddenly it acts like a full Switch dock. Things we loved about this is it was so simple. Like, I literally could pull up QuickTime or any other capture software, and literally one click, and I was recording everything from his Switch. But also, it is completely 4K pass-through, so the TV, we were watching it big and bright like it was intended from the Switch itself, but we were still capturing in such high quality as well on the computer, and there was no lag. There didn't seem to be any lag in this. So look, if you're looking for a good, easy way to capture your gameplay, especially from your Switch or your Switch 2, man, check this out. Simplifies the process, and I think you're gonna love it.